What are you doing in here?
What?
Are you reading? Are you reading? No? Can you take your binky out and use your words?
No.
Are you reading?
No.
You gonna say hi to everybody out there?
Hi.
You say, hi mama.
Mama.
Nope, take your binky out.
Mama.
Say daddy.
Daddy.
Say Grammy.
Mommy.
Say grandpa.
Papa.
Say Kyle.
Guy.
Say Nana.
Nana.
Say Papa.
Papa.
Say
Papa.
Riley.
Bobby.
Say Logan.
Nobby.
Say Braden.
Bobby.
Beckham.
Yeah.
You're giving up. What else can you say? Santa?
Santa.
Santa? What does the cow say?
Moo.
Huh? Take your binky out.
Moo.
Moo? Moo. What does the doggy say?
Doggy.
Yeah. Ruff, ruff. Okay. Say night-nights.
Night.
Can you take your binky out, please? Thank you. Say night-night.
Night.
Love you.
Mm.
Ma! Kisses. Okay. Bye-bye.